Okay guys, today I've got an Apple iPad Pro 10.5 inch screen. So this is the iPad Pro version 2 2018 model. It's in like new condition. I just switched everything over to Samsung and Android. So that's why I'm selling this, doing this quick video just like I do on everything that I sell so that you can see it's in perfect working order. So we'll just kind of scoot this over here. Underneath here, if I can do it with one hand, I've got the charger and all the little booklets and everything that it came with. So I'll show you that's under here. And you can hear my kids in the background, but hey, school's out. So I'm going to show you on here that everything works like it should. I've went through and reset it and just skipped through all the settings. So before I sell it, I'll go through and do the factory reset again on it. That way you can set it up with all of your information. So real quick, just show you, we'll go ahead and hit browser and just go to Apple. You see everything works good on it. One way to test, in case maybe you've never heard of this, make sure every portion of the screen works. If you grab an app and then you start at the top and just go across like this, if it drops the app at any point in time, like you let go of it, that's how you know if you've got any dead spots on the screen. I learned this a long time ago when I used to just exclusively sell phones. So that's how you'd test that. Otherwise, it's important to go in and test like your speakers and stuff so you can see it gets on the internet just fine. We'll go back up here to YouTube. I don't want this video to be too long, but I do just want to show you that everything works on it. Sound on this is great. I don't even know what this is, but we're just going to let it kick on. Of course, the volume controls are in here. Let me pull it out of the box. I also have a brand new screen protector, tempered glass screen protector installed. Best Buy put that on just less than 2 weeks ago. I wanted it to be fresh for whoever bought it there. Over here, volume control.
And then you sped up to run to the chair.
That's my life, yes.
Okay.
That's
Full screen there.
I go, oh, no, I'm doing
See, everything
this
works
slowly.
good.
Just, get there quicker.
It's not
Home
that
button
long
works.
ago.
That's your fingerprint scanner. I'll go ahead and just turn this off for the moment. I don't think there's a single scratch or scuff on this. Had it in a case since day one. So as you can see, excellent shape. And what I will do is I will go ahead and, like I said, reset it. So I'll do that now. I've already taken it off my account. It is for AT&T. So it's not unlocked. Get that question a lot. And it is not unlocked. It's 64 gigs. You can always just use it with Wi-Fi, but if you want to put it on AT&T, you can pop SIM card in there. And there's the information there. Model number, you can see 64 gig, space gray right there. There's your IMEI number. So you can call AT&T, give them that number, and they'll verify that this thing's good to activate. I think you can do it on their website also. So there it is. There's the video. Try to keep these under 4 minutes. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'll get it packed up and get it listed for sale. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks again.